Привет! Hello! My name is Valentina. I'm Russian teacher and today we will talk about Russian alphabet. A. A like A in father. B. B like B in butter. V. V like V in video. G. G like G in go. D. D like D in do. Y. Y like Y in yes. Yo. Yo like yo in your. J. J like J in pleasure. Z. Z like Z in zebra. E. E like И in me. И краткое. И like И in boy. K. K like K in K. L. L like L in leave. M. M like M in May. N. N like N in nose. O. O like O in more. P. P like P in sport. Rolled R. 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 S. S like S in sea. T. T like T in tour. U. U like U in book. F. F like F in face. H. H like H in house. C. C close to ts. Chair. Ch close to chair. Sh. Sh like sh in shirt. Sha. Sh like sh in sheep. Heart sign. It has no sound. U. U close to U in roses. Soft sign. It has no sound too. E. E like E in bat. U. U like U in you. Ya. Ya like ya in yard.